any candidate for the MLC post?
No, I am not interested in recommending any. I just came to say hello to him.
Congress from AP star.
Sir, that you have to ask my high command. I can't.
తర్వాత వచ్చే ఎన్నికల్లో మిమ్మల్ని చేత పోటీ చేయించాలని పరిశీలిస్తుందని కాంగ్రెస్ వార్తలు వినబడతాయి.
वो हाईकमांड हैदराबाद से कांटेस्ट करते हैं कुछ.
I don't know. As of now, I don't know.
हाईकमांड से
Because whatever the party decides, I do it. Because last time also they chose me to fight from Moradabad, so I.
Are you interested in from Andhra Pradesh?
ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ హైదరాబాద్.
If my party says yes, I would definitely.
Personally, you are interested or not? In Andhra politics.
Personally, I mean, it's very hard for me to say. I mean, I would always. Home state is my. It's the best state. I mean, I always feel because the home state, Andhra Pradesh has given me everything, and the city of Hyderabad has given me everything. So, I mean,